Introduction to sea otters and tool use. Sea otters are remarkable marine mammals known for their use of tools to access food, particularly when opening shellfish. Their tool-using behavior is a fascinating example of animal ingenuity and dexterity, showcasing their adaptation to a challenging environment. Sea otters' tool-using behavior. Sea otters have developed a unique technique for using tools, primarily to crack open the hard shells of sea urchins, clams, and other shellfish. They use rocks or other hard objects as anvils to break open these shells, demonstrating a level of problem-solving and dexterity that is rare among non-human animals. The process of tool use. To access their prey, sea otters first select a suitable tool, often a smooth, rounded rock. They hold the rock with their paws and use it to strike the shellfish. By repeatedly striking the shell against the rock, they can create enough force to crack it open. This method allows them to access the edible parts inside, which would otherwise be difficult to reach. Selection and storage of tools. Sea otters are selective in their choice of tools, often favoring rocks with specific characteristics, such as those with a flat surface or a certain weight. They may also carry a favorite tool with them, storing it in a special area called a toolkit while foraging. Some otters use a specific rock for cracking shellfish and then return it to their toolkit, demonstrating a degree of planning and tool management. Learning and cultural transmission. The use of tools among sea otters is not innate but learned through observation and practice. Young otters learn how to use tools by watching their mothers or other adult otters. This cultural transmission of knowledge indicates that tool use is part of a learned behavior rather than instinctual. Benefits of tool use. Tool use provides sea otters with several advantages. By using rocks to crack open shells, they can access a wider variety of food sources, which is crucial for their survival. This ability enhances their foraging efficiency and allows them to exploit resources that might otherwise be inaccessible. Adaptations for tool use. Sea otters have several physical adaptations that facilitate their use of tools. Their dexterous forelimbs are equipped with sensitive paws that can grip and manipulate objects effectively. Additionally, their high metabolic rate requires them to consume large amounts of food, making their tool-using skills particularly advantageous in acquiring sufficient nourishment. Tool use and environmental impact. The tool-using behavior of sea otters has ecological implications beyond their immediate feeding habits. By preying on sea urchins and other shellfish, sea otters help control the population of these species, which in turn influences the health of kelp forests and marine ecosystems. Their tool use is a key component of their role as a keystone species. Research and observations. Scientists study sea otters' tool-using behavior to gain insights into animal cognition and problem-solving. Observations of sea otters in the wild and in controlled environments provide valuable information about their tool preferences, learning processes, and the ecological impact of their behavior. Conclusion. Sea otters' use of tools to open shells is a remarkable demonstration of their problem-solving abilities and adaptability. By employing rocks to crack open shellfish, sea otters enhance their foraging efficiency and contribute to their ecological role. Their tool-using behavior, learned through observation and practice, highlights the complexity of animal intelligence and the intricate interactions between species and their environments.